this question we read, in a parallelogram, two adjacent sides measure 20 centimeters and 27 centimeters. Okay, we kind of have to draw this one out. So 20, 27, and then it says the shorter diagonal is 23 centimeters. So that's going to be that diagonal right there will be 23 centimeters. So with a parallelogram, I know that the opposite sides are the same length. So if that side on the left there is 20, I know the side on the right is 20. Now it says determine to the nearest degree the measure of the larger angles in the parallelogram. Okay, so what I want to do here is figure out what this whole angle is right there. Now this is 27 and this is 20. So I almost need to do the cosine law twice here. Once to get this angle, and then the other time to get this angle right here. And then I'm going to put those two together. I mean, based on the information that I've got there. So let's do that. So I'll start with that blue angle that I was suggesting here. Let's call that theta. And so theta is going to equal the inverse cosine of, and because the side 27 is opposite, it'll be 27 squared up there. And then I'm going to get 23 squared plus 20 squared, and I'm going to minus that 27 squared. And then the denominator will be 2 times 23 times 20. The pattern is sort of the same every time we use it. What's important is that I'm subtracting the 27 squared to the numerator, because that's what links that whole thing to angle theta. Okay, so now I'm going to just go to my calculator. I make sure that there's two sets of parentheses, parentheses around the numerator, parentheses around the denominator. And now we'll just enter that all into my calculator over on the side here. And I'm going to get that theta here is 77.4 degrees. Okay, now I'm going to do exactly the same thing, except I'm going to do it for that black angle here, and I'll call that alpha. Alpha will be equal to the inverse cosine of, in this case, it's the 20 that's opposite it. So 20 squared, and then this will be 23 squared plus 27 squared over 2 times 23 times 27. Sorry. So inverse cosine, and that will be 23 squared plus 27 squared minus 20 squared divided by 2 times 23 times 27. And I'm going to get 46 degrees roughly. So adding those two together there, that's 77 plus the 46, I'm getting 123. Now, and because I forgot the decimals there. Sorry, I should have put the decimals in there. I kept the angles in there. That would have rounded up to 124 degrees. That's the one I'm looking for.